Hello everyone. As my hobby, I just want to start a project and I'll be creating a clone of Fiverr. So Fiverr is this website for freelancing. So people can just post their gigs, and if you want something done, you can just click on it and contact a freelancer and get your job done for cheap. So when you click on a gig, it will take you to a page like this where all these will be displayed, and you can just continue and pay him and get the job done. So I just want to make something similar to this. Alright, so I just created a layout for my database. This may not be the final database, but I just want a plan to get me started with it, and a few features to include, including login, create and edit gigs, recommendation search, map featured posts, etc. So it's always good to have a layout of what you'll be needing. So I think that's it. From the next video, you'll be seeing like how I'll progress with my project. So see you in the next video.